students, good morning. Our today's subject is English grammar. As we know that we are learning parts of speech and we have done two parts of speech, nouns and pronouns, right? Now today we are going to learn the third part of speech, adjectives. Now we learned about adjectives in the previous standards, right? Now what is adjective? Let's see. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. What is an adjective? It is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Right? You can see here, this is a pen. Pen is noun. Pen is a common noun. Right? This is a pen. But when I say this is a red pen, when I say this is a red pen, now pen is noun and red is an adjective. So adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun, right? Okay. Now see the example here. Mary sang a beautiful song. Mary sang a song, but beautiful song, right? She sang beautiful song, so here beautiful is an adjective which describes the noun song, right? Second example, chess is an indoor game. Here indoor is an adjective and game is a noun. Here indoor is describing the word game, right? There are also kinds of adjectives. Let's learn the kinds of adjectives. As you know that there are 7 kinds of adjectives, right? Let's learn them one by one. Okay, there are 7 kinds of adjectives. First is adjectives of quality. Now there are some examples of adjective of qualities: brave, honest, big, black, tired, happy, right? They are the examples of adjective or qualities. They tell what kind of person, place or a thing is. It indicates the kind of a person, place or a thing, that which kind of person, which kind of place and which kind of thing is. Okay, let's see the examples here. The old man wore a black coat. The old man wore which type of cloth? Black coat, right? So here black is an adjective. My father is a kind man. How is my father? Kind, right? It indicates the quality of a person. So a kind is a adjective of quality. Now second is adjectives of quantity. Here are some words which indicates adjective of quantity as much, little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, etc. Right? Now adjective of quality tell how much a thing is intended. How much the thing is. Right? For example, he had much money. Here much is adjective of quantity. There is little food in the house. How much food in the house? Little food. So little is an adjective. Okay. Now it indicates the quantity. Third is adjectives of number. All, many, several, 5, some, first, 12th, most, etc. are the words which are used as adjectives of numbers. They indicate numbers. They tell how many or in what order. It means counted. In adjective of quantity there are uncountable words, and in adjectives of numbers there are countable words as all, many, several, 5, some, first, 12th, most, etc. They tell how many or in what order. Now here are some examples. Some men are rich. Here man, we can count the men, right? and some is an adjective. This is the adjective of number. He had 5 rupees in his pocket. 5 rupees. A 5 is an adjective of number. Here there is a note. Adjective of number are of two types. First, 1, 2, 3. These are called cardinals. First, second, third. These are called ordinals. Now, cardinals show how many, and ordinal tells the order of thing. Cardinal shows how many, 1, 2 or 3 or 4. And ordinals tells order of the thing in the series, first, second, third, right? All the above are called definite numeral adjectives. There are definite numbers given, 1 or 2 or 3, first, second, third, right? So they are called definite numeral adjectives. And second is all, no, many, several, some are indefinite numeral adjectives. They do not denote an exact number. These all, no, many, several, some are indefinite numeral adjectives because they do not denote an exact number. Now here in these two examples, in the first example, some men are rich. So some is indefinite adjective of number, and here 5 is definite number, definite adjective of number, right? Okay. Let's see the next type, demonstrative adjectives. Here are some examples: these, that, those, such, yonder, etc. are the words which indicates demonstrative adjectives that are used for demonstrative adjectives. They tell which person or thing are meant. That book, this person, right? Those fruits, such bags. They tell us which person or which things are meant. For example, this house belonged to my uncle. Here, this house. As we know that adjective describes a noun. House is noun and this is an adjective. Adjective used before a noun, right? This house belonged to my uncle. So this is an adjective, and which type? Demonstrative adjective. Those apples are from Kashmir. Here, which word is demonstrative adjective? Those. She lives in yonder hill. Here, yonder is the demonstrative adjective. Yonder means also in the sense of that, to indicate the thing of or person which is far away, right? Okay. Now, fifth number, distributive adjectives. The words which are used in distributive adjectives are each, every, either and neither. Now these words, each, every, either and neither, show that person or things are taken one at a time. Here each means har ek, pratyek. Every means also har ek or pratyek. Either means दो में से कोई एक, and neither means दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. Now these words show that person or things are taken one at a time. Now here are some examples. Each woman carried a basket. हर एक woman के पास हर एक woman ने basket उठाया. Every word of this story is true. इस story का एक एक word true है. Either pen will do. Neither boy is likely to pass. Right? So each, every, either and neither are the distributive adjectives. Now sixth number, interrogative adjectives. Now here the words what, which and whose are the interrogative adjectives, and they are used with nouns to ask questions. When these words what, which and whose used with nouns, they are called the interrogative adjectives, and they used to ask questions. For example, what color is your hair? Here what is used with noun, so it is called interrogative adjective. When I ask, what is the color of your hair? Now this is the interrogative pronoun, right? But when this word what, whose and which used with noun, it is called interrogative adjective. What color is your hair? Whose book is this? Here whose is adjective and book is noun. Which way should we go? Here which is interrogative adjective because it is used with a noun, right? Okay. Now next and last is the possessive adjectives. Here possessive words are our, her, his, your, their, my, etc. Right? Which shows possession. Now they tells whose is the thing. ये चीज़ किसकी है? ये possession indicate करता है. For example, his pen was stolen yesterday. Whose pen? His pen. So his is possessive adjective because his is used with a noun, right? So here his is possessive adjective. Your room is very untidy. Your room is noun. This word is used with noun, so it is possessive adjective. Your, right? My clothes are clean and ironed. My clothes. Here my is possessive adjectives, right? So friends, I hope you have understood this topic, adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Now you have to write all the points in your notebook, the definition of adjective with examples and all the kinds of adjectives, right? Thank you.